Welcome, this is Software and Computer Museum. This video will be about the Ibook G3 clamshell laptop. During a presentation at the MacWorld Expo in 1998, Steve Jobs showed a diagram of Apple's future products divided into 4 squares. At the top were stationary devices, the iMac G3 for consumers and the PowerMac G3 for professional use, and at the bottom was portable equipment. The PowerBook G3 was located under the PowerMac. But instead of a consumer portable device, there were only the numbers 99, hinting at the announcement of a new product next year. This product was the iBook, which was presented on July 21, 1999. The new design, pioneered by Jonathan Ive in the iMac G3 desktop, was easily recognizable in this laptop. The same bright colors, translucent plastic, and rounded shapes of the device. During the presentation, Jobs called it iMac to go because it had a folding handle for carrying. The computer was aimed at students and home users. Ibook G3 clamshell differed from other laptops of that time with its unusual design. Here are some of its differences. Clamshell design. The name clamshell comes from the appearance of the laptop, which resembled a folded shell. Convenience. The Ive team sought to simplify the device usage much as possible. For example, the top cover had no fasteners and could be opened with one hand, allowing the laptop to automatically wake itself from sleep mode. The laptop had 5 color options. Blueberry and tangerine were first released, later joined by indigo, graphite, and lime. Even the power supply received a characteristic design. The iBook cable can be folded. Users named it Yo-Yo, Hockey Puck, Frisbee, UFO, Biscuit, or Hamburger. Due to its unusual design, the iBook is featured in the exhibition of the London Design Museum and the Yale University Art Gallery. The first year after its release, clamshell developed a reputation as a girl's laptop. Some critics wrote that the case lacks the Barbie logo. This stereotype was also reinforced by the famous movie Legally Blonde. But a year later, Apple released clamshell in a stricter graphite color with the slogan, "Black tie optional." On the back cover, the laptop had 2 small holes with contacts, which according to Ive's idea could be used to charge the laptop in school classrooms without an external power supply, but such a product never appeared on the market. The technical characteristics of the laptop were quite typical for that time. The 12.1-inch TFT screen had a resolution of 800 by 600 pixels and provided high-quality display of images and text. Ibook G3 clamshell had built-in stereo speakers that provided good sound quality. The system was controlled by the PowerPC G3 750 processor, which operated at a frequency of 300 MHz and was built according to the 32-bit PowerPC architecture. It had a 64-bit bus to communicate with other system components and included 512 kilobytes of L2 cache and 64 kilobytes of L1 cache. This processor was optimized for MacOS applications and did not require active cooling. The laptop had a built-in wireless Wi-Fi module, which was called Airport Card and provided a speed of up to 11 megabits per second. Regarding other technical characteristics, the information is displayed on the screen. Interesting facts. September 21st, 1999, an earthquake with a magnitude of 7.6 occurred in Taiwan, which caused the death of more than 2,300 people and significant destruction. The iBook manufacturer, Alpha Top, was located in a less affected region and remained unscathed, but transportation problems and power outages caused production to stop for a week. Due to production delays, Apple was only able to deliver 6,000 iBooks in the third quarter of 1999, but Apple executives said they do not expect a significant impact from the earthquake going forward. iBook designer Jonathan Ive began his career in 1990 as a partner at the London agency Tangerine. The first iBook, which Steve Jobs introduced in 1999, had the official color tangerine. Users in Germany also preferred this color Between blueberries and tangerines, 60% of orders were for tangerines. Initially, the Ibook G3 was sold with macOS version 8.6. Graphite, Lime, and Indigo, which were released a year later, received the 9th version of macOS. The highest this platform could be upgraded to was macOS X 10.3.9. Besides the operating system, the original installation disk contained AppleWorks version 5, later version 6. This is an office suite that includes tools for word processing, page layout, drawing, spreadsheets, databases, and a presentation module. AppleWorks version 6 also came with a converter for Microsoft Office. We were happy to tell you about the history of the Ibook G3 clamshell laptop. Subscribe to our channel to view new reviews of unusual and rare equipment.